Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite meal. Let's go through the ingredients quickly. Spinach and basil, minced garlic, about 5 cloves, and some diced onions. First, we're going to make the gnocchi. So you just want to, melt some butter in. This is plain gnocchi. There's a pumpkin flavor one and also a spinach flavor one. I just grabbed these from Sainsbury's, but I think Morrison sell them too. But you can use any gnocchi. This is just my personal favorite, this specific brand. You can also make this dish with any pasta, spaghetti, etc. So you just want to stir that for about 5 minutes and then it's ready. So boom, we're gonna move on to the actual Alfredo sauce. You want to melt about half a cup of butter and soften your onions. Then, to make it nice and creamy and cheesy, we're going to add some Philadelphia. This recipe is really going to be loved by anyone that likes white-based pasta sauces. So, you want to mix all of these ingredients together and it will thicken up in about 10 minutes. We're going to season it up with garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, and then Italian seasoning such as oregano and black pepper. Just grind that in there. A teaspoon of garlic powder. You can leave this out if you feel like the cloves were enough for you. And then some fresh basil and spinach. Grana Padano. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I prefer this over Parmesan, but you choose whichever cheese that you prefer. And then, look at that sauce coming off the spoon. Yes. So now your sauce is ready. Once it's thick after about 10 minutes on low heat, you want to add your gnocchi and we're going to fold that all together gently. Now your dish is ready. Took us about 15 minutes. Promise you this will become your new fave, your go-to. Think I'll probably make this meal like every week. Yeah, like and subscribe and share. Thanks so much for watching, and this is just a close-up.